Obviously, it's still raining, but I still got to take care of the chickens. Let's see how the little guys are doing. Hey, chicky chicks. Hey, chicky chicks. Look at that. Look at how they're growing. Come on, chicky chicks. Come on. Come on. Yeah, close this door here. Get a look at them. Hey, chicky chicks. Look how they're growing now. They're doing really well. I just threw them out some corn. And of course, there's the cabin, my lean-to. Let me show you what I did inside so far. See, I'm quite impressed with it. Made a few improvements there. Of course, if you can mind the mess, hopefully you can see in here. You can see right there, I put up a bigger window. But anyways, hopefully you can see in here. I put in this deep sink, and of course this sink, of course it's pretty dark. I got space underneath, you know, pots and pans, toilet paper, paper towels. Underneath there I have my water, and of course where I have my hole to throw wood in, I put a glass door or window there that opens and closes so I can at least get some light in. Anyways, I put this bigger window in. Yeah, so that's going to be a big improvement. Playing with some candles there, and of course my wood stove, big glob of mess there, and of course my bed I don't have to make. You know, there's my little kitchenette. Wow, huh? And I got all my storage, my food storage and such. There's my refrigerator. I use frozen ice and to keep everything cool if I got any meat or anything, but I don't have no meat. But I'm making improvements every day. And then I gotta put my food tank back. We'll go out to my lean-to here. Damn rain. Kind of pisses you off when it's raining. I don't know how much light I'll shine in here, but this is where I'm going to store all my wood and other shit I got. You know, I made some shelves and what have you. All my other shit that I have. Here's the window you can see inside the, it works out rather well. You know, to throw wood in. I made a little doohickey here, and it just opens up, and I throw wood right through the window. What do you think? Pretty nice, huh? Pretty nice. Yeah. Well, folks, and of course I have, this is where I'm going to, where I store the chicken feed and such. So, well, there's a little tour of the place. Yeah, next month I'll be chopping wood, filling this baby up. So, I guess we'll see you later. And there's, of course, there's a chair, you know, I can do some thinking. Alright, folks, we'll see you later. Bye-bye.